Alright everybody, welcome to the video. I'm gonna keep this intro short and sweet, but we've got a pretty incredible hunt coming up, so y'all stay tuned.
You get him right there?
I ain't even shot yet.
He landed back there behind us.
Shoot him off the water.
He was follow that Susie. Every time the Susie would go, he would go, and finally the Susie left. Alright guys, as you can see, we are not in negative freezing temperatures anymore. I'm actually editing the video and I just realized that you kind of don't really understand what happened. So about 7:30, my gun ended up jamming and something was wrong with it. I guess it was just too extreme of temperature. Gun, it did not shoot again for the rest of the day. I went and grabbed another spare gun that another guy brought, and we had about 7 in the blind at the time that I left. Probably 7 or 8, maybe 9 or 10. When I came back 20 minutes later, we had 26, 20, upper 20s, maybe 30 birds in the blind. So a lot of birds get missed, and I'm sorry about that. I really hate this video. It makes me so mad because, I mean, I'm sitting at the truck, which is probably 500 yards away, and I mean, it's just, you can just see group after group falling in the blind. It was a great hunt, and it sucks that I didn't get it on film, but I hope that y'all can stick with it. There is some pretty cool stuff coming up, so let's get back to it. Watch these 2 over back. Yep, I see him. Kill.
Shit, they landed right there.
Here they go. Oh, there's 4 out front.
Huh?
These 3 landed over here.
Well, I killed my first duck with your gun. Watch these 3.
Oh.
Kill him! Got 2, 3.
Got 2 of them, 3 of them, 4 of them.
What's he doing?
Kill him.
I clobbered one.
Those were cans, weren't they?
Just as y'all come up, I said no.
That one's crippled.
I smoked one of them.
What were those, divers?
What that one of them fell in the lake. Who's that?
It's just a group. I heard about JD or Jerry getting all emotional.
Tristan, you need a hug?
You tell us when you're ready, Dean.
Get that one. No. Watch that one.
There's 2, 3, 4 more.
That one that's fine. I know. I shot him. Dang, they're gonna be all in that pond. Yeah. I got this one
I
marked.
got that one marked too. You want me to run out there and grab him?
Yeah, you want me to go with you or you got it? I got him.
Oh gosh, watch these three.
Coming around again. Coming around again. Hey! Get out of here and leave him alone. All knowledge. Put them in there.